That was a school of fish. How are they spooking before we even get there?
It seems like it's rolling this morning.
We have a negative tide today, so it's gonna be super, super low. Oh! That was your fish you wanted, dude. Right there.
Snook coming out of there, you think?
Yep, that's a big fish.
Pushing a big weight, wasn't
He was laid up in some shallow water. That was your feeding fish. He was sitting right on the edge of that grass. That looked like a 30-inch fish.
It's a big fish.
I don't know where he went.
Looks like it went up.
You know, it's funny, that's what I was hoping for, to see one big laid up fish in here. We spooked him. He's gone.
We had our shot.
Yeah. There's usually every morning the one big one in there, and then this cove is the same thing. I've caught 12 snook in a row out of this cove, so I'm hoping there's something in there. I usually catch them on that paddle tail.
The little...
Yeah, but I was trying to get a big snook. Try to get in that back corner right there. That's usually where they're sitting.
Over that cedar tree?
Yep. They always come out of that back cove right there, to the right of that. It's funny how these snook will literally school up and they're like easy to catch one day, and the next day you can't find any. This is the creek mouth I was talking about. It's pretty good right here.
That's where I caught the 35-inch snook right there.
Well, that tells you something. Oh, there she is. Get in that creek mouth. That snook was laying right there. I saw her. She was literally coming right out of this shallow spot. Oh, there's snook everywhere. Dude, there's 30 snook just came out of there.
Is that right?
Yeah, I just saw a whole pile of them. Oh, they were literally piled up right there. We spooked them. I saw at least 20 snook. We didn't come into this spot, right, did we? Well, you know where the snook are now, because I saw 20 snook come off this rock. They're literally just chilling here. Yeah, right there. There's a bunch of fish running right there. That is a red.
Yeah.
I can still see his tail.
Yeah.
His tail is just barely peeking.
Yeah. In the fly rod. Yeah. That's a pretty good sized redfish, it looks like. He's working it too.
He's just laying in there.
Tailing redfish on the river. Come on now.
That's a mid-slot fish. Alright, free line, no weight. Just pitch him in there nice and gently. Hold that. He's just laying in there. His whole body's out of the water. His head's facing to the right.
Yeah.
I would throw it up in the mud and reel it to him if you can. Dude.
He's still wobbling right there, isn't he?
Oh my god, that is a big red. Alright, let's see this precision here. Damn it.
Yeah. You gotta hit him in the butt.
I'm on the wrong side of him. His tail's still up in there. He does not know we're here.
He does not know we're here. There you go. He should see that.
Oh my god. Oh. Where'd he... How does he not see that? He's the worst feeding redfish I've ever seen.
He must be blind or something. That's crazy.
What are you doing down there, Shrimp? I mean, he's obviously feeding to be up in there.
Oh yeah. Well, he's oh yeah. Good.
How can we have a mid-slot redfish just sitting in there, feeding him bait and he won't even eat it? He's literally just sitting in that hole. Hey, what the hell is he doing in there?
What are you washing? Taking a bath or something in there, boy? Yeah, that should do it right there. Right there. Golly. Dude, eat that.
I'm about to walk over there. I'm about to get out.
It's cold.
The dumbest redfish of all
I
time.
haven't seen him come out either side. I mean, he may have slipped out, but you would think if he was going to come out of there, especially if it's spooked, you'd see him.
The tail started moving and it was him.
It was him, yeah. There for a second, his whole back was out of the water.
It was definitely a redfish.
Oh yeah. A tail?
We saw 20 snook and a redfish already. They're laughing at us.
We're in the right spot. We just got to figure out what they look like.
Nice
Trout.
It's a red.
Is it red?
Yep.
Right. It
Broke the ice. You don't need the net for okay, right? I didn't even make it in the boat. Guess we shouldn't have it. Not a big one. I'm trying to figure out the double tap of your thing. Little guy. That is a tiny redfish. We've hit harder than you look. Goodbye, redfish. Eat it. That's a bread. There we go. Not a big one, but it's another redfish.
Yep.
They're stacked up in there. We just got to figure out where they're sitting. So he's directly down the center.
Inside, or yeah, directly down the center of the.
Yeah, right where he's supposed to be sitting. You should be able to get one on lures if there's a million of them in there. Did I snag them?
You snagged him.
No, I didn't. My weight's caught. He's cold.
Yeah. Not a big one, but he's a good one.
A lot of little ones.
That's a good sign, though. That means the net.
It's not big. He's just swimming at me now. I wasn't ready for that dive. He's under the boat. It's not huge. Best one so far, that second cast. We found the right spot once we got out of the river.
Alright, we got a little scale on the net, man.
You're not keeping fish?
I want to keep a couple, but is he a keeper?
Yeah, that's a keeper. He's 20 inches. Yeah, he's not very big. Not even close. Maybe there's another one in there.
Ooh, he's cold.
Water's freezing. Oh, there's a bunch of them. A little guy in it.
Yeah, I think so.
Is it just a small red?
Yeah, I think it is.
Yep. Don't even need. Oh, jeez. How our day's been going?
The second long distance release I've had today.
Yeah, that's a good sign if there's a rat in there. There's probably 100 fish in there. We didn't have any small ones in there last time though.
Oh yeah, good fish.
On the Little John. It's a good red. That's a big redfish. Oh yeah. That's a big red.
Is it? Oh yeah, it is.
Solid redfish. Is that one dinner?
What's that?
Is that one dinner?
Yeah.
That's a good red.
That's a big red. Do we have this?
That's a big one.
Yeah, baby.
That's a solid
That's
fish.
a solid fish there.
If only we could have high tide in the morning, we would have been here earlier. It didn't take too long. Was that 10 casts with it?
What?
That was like 10 casts.
Yeah. I don't think it was even 10 with the Little John.
This is what I started hammering them with when we fished here last year. And once I started catching them with this, I started switching up, using every lure in my tackle box.
I think we can get them fired up. Then they'll...
Here, just recast it out there. That's a 24 incher, isn't it?
Looks like it for sure to me. Check him in the eyes. Oh yeah. Good photo, man. You got him? Here, I got him.
Hold on. I got
open that cooler.
in here.